Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how you can turn off the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and remap the side key to the power menu. So let's begin the video. There are two different methods as you know, and if you hold down the side key, it brings up the Bixby. So to turn it off, hold down both the volume down and the side keys for a few seconds and you will get this kind of a power menu here. Alternatively, you can get to this page by going through quick panel. So in order to do that, swipe down twice on the screen. On top right side, you will see this power icon. Tap on it. From this menu, you turn off or restart. Let me power off and then confirm once again, and this will switch off the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Once the phone is shut down, hold down the side key for a few seconds to restart it. The second method to turn off the Galaxy S24 Ultra is by remapping side key. To do it, navigate to Settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Advanced Feature. Choose the side button. Now from the press and hold section, select Power Off menu. Next time, if you hold down the side button, you will get this menu to power off the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So guys, that is it in this video on how to switch the Galaxy S24 Ultra using two different methods. If you have any feedback or question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.